Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So once you're here in your dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen and then here you're going to find all these sections. Right here you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers. Here you're going to find content, analytics, and marketing and discount. Here, right under sales channels, you're going to find point of sale and also online store. And lastly, here you're going to find apps. So right now, in order to be able to edit your online store, click on online store here. And then under it, you're going to find themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and lastly, preferences. So right now, go ahead and click on themes. And then here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find your current theme. And then here, as you can see, guys, in the right, you're going to find the option to customize your theme and also these additional options. You can preview your theme, you can rename it, duplicate it, you can download the theme file, edit the code, and edit the default theme content. So right now, I'm going to click on customize. So once you click on customize, you're going to be here in the editor. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the options and the tools that you would need in order to customize your store. So for example, as you can see guys here, you can edit the header. So you can add a section if you want. Just search for the section. Here you're going to find your apps if you want to use them. And here, for example, you can edit every element you find right here. For example, in order to edit this one, just give it a click right here. And then you're going to find all these options here in the right. So once you finish customizing your store, all you need to do, guys, is click on save here in the top right, and then you're good to go. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.